It was a light day around the majors. Half a dozen games headlined by the Reds blanking the Mets 5-0, and the Rays taking care of the Yankees 8-2. Let's crack open some baseball cards. Ha-Sung Kim, Mookie Betts, JT Realmuto, Yordan Alvarez having a great season, Freddie Freeman, O'Neal Cruz. Mets, as I mentioned before, they came up scoreless against Cincinnati. Aaron Judge, Jose Ramirez, and Kyle Tucker. Aaron Judge went 0 for 4 today. Mets again. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, okay, never mind. All right, Randall Grichuk, is this just a rainbow foil? No, it is a gold parallel. 1734 out of 2023. Switch hitting Hall of Famer Chipper Jones. Throwback card Wander Franco. He had 2 hits. Bryce Harper, MB3. Cody Bellinger, early candidate for NL Comeback Player of the Year. Matt Chapman having a great year, putting up some nice power numbers. Tristan McKenzie. JJ Bleday, who's now an A. Tristan McKenzie once again. Just so happens to be 2 of the same card. Nothing special there. And 2 Jordan Romanos. All right. So, pulled a gold parallel as well as this Chipper Jones throwback. There it is. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe.